In front of me is Nubia Neo 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Display section. Now scroll down, click on Screen Refresh Rate and click on the best one for you to apply it. I will go with Auto. When you finished, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my device has changed. You can even click on this button next to show refresh rate on status bar to turn it off or on. Then when you change it, you will always remember, thanks to this little icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!